Hi guys, hope you are doing well. I want to try out this curly Proverbz recipe. She is on YouTube. She has amazing long hair and I'm trying out her recipe today and just making a few adjustments to her recipe. Before I started, I warmed up my coconut oil by placing my jar in a pot of hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes just to warm it up slightly. I used half a cup of fenugreek seeds as well as 1 cup of coconut oil. Fenugreek seeds have high protein and are beneficial for dandruff, treating dry hair, and also promoting hair growth. I used almost a full cup of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has a lot of antioxidants and that makes it amazing to use for your hair. I also added 5 tablespoons of castor oil. This has omega-6 fatty acids. It helps to increase blood circulation and also improve hair growth. I added 10 drops of rosemary essential oil as well as tea tree and peppermint oil. In the curly Proverbz recipe, she added henna powder and vitamin C powder. I did not use that in my recipe. Next, I added half a teaspoon of my MSM Sulfur powder. She recommended 1/8 of a teaspoon. I did half. Just be careful, read and do your research. Some people can have a reaction to sulfur, maybe by breaking out. So do your research if you're going to use sulfur. So I mixed everything up and this is just going to infuse. Mine infused for about 3 weeks. MSM is great for strengthening your hair and also promoting hair growth. After 3 weeks, I'm just going to strain the oil and put it in my bottle and it's ready for use. Once again, there's no magic pill for growing hair. I know there are so many videos on YouTube telling you you can grow your hair in 1 week, in a day, overnight. All you need is consistency. Whatever you are using, whatever product you are trying, be consistent and you will see change and you will see results. If this is your first time watching my video, you are welcome. My name is Esther and I love all things DIY, hair and skincare. That's what I usually share on my channel and I hope you would consider subscribing. The fenugreek oil is ready to use. Use it as you would any other oil. Try this oil out. Use it for your scalp, your hair, help promote your hair growth. I am currently using this and I will share my results as part of my 3-month hair journey. I hope you try this out. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video and I will see you in my next one. Until then, be well. Take care.